So you know Flutter, but you want to know how to create a game, app, or any other project. App development tools are easy to learn and hard to master. What helps you master them is knowing what exactly you need. So let's learn app development. No bullshit, just what you need to get started. We're diving right in with Flutter. It's flexible, multi-platform, automated testing, developer tooling. Next, let's talk state management with Redux. Why Redux? Predictable and test-friendly. Centralized state, debuggable with dev tools, and compatible with various UIs. For our backend, we're skipping traditional frameworks like Django or Flask. We will use Firebase. Accelerated app development, robust backend infrastructure, comprehensive analytics, and engagement tools. Step number 1, app creation. Open the terminal, type Flutter, create app, and hit the enter. Install the packages. Now go to main.dart and modify it. Add store provider title. Set up the app theme. Initiate routes, pass the bridge widget, and set scroll behavior. Extend scroll behavior. Initialize Firebase. Implement a bridge to direct the user to either the home screen or authentication. Now let's create Google Sign-In widget. Call the store connector on change, dispatch the action, and direct the user to home screen. Next, create a sign-in button. Add Google icon and text. Great! Now let's implement search field. List the shops and on click, navigate the user to details screen. List out debts. For each, calculate the total price, name, and the purchase date. Include a color-coded icon to indicate whether the debt is paid or not. Let's move on home screen. Initialize, add refresher. Get the total debts, unpaid ones. On init dispatch action. On body, put the refresher, call the market grid widget. Step number 2, Redux. Create the state, initialize values. Implement sign-in action, add the reducer, fetch shops with debts and debt details. Listen to the action and call service. Services. Initiate a Google sign-in process. In case success, obtain credentials. Authenticate with Firebase. Return the current user or an error message. Query the debt records collection. Use the shop IDs to fetch details about each shop and add to the list. Return the list of shops. Next, query debt records for specific user ID shop ID. For each debt record, access the debt details, combine the debt details with the product information, and return it. Create app state and wrap it with one global state. Step number 3, Firebase. Create user collection, shop and product collections with fields like name, price, image, and etc. Add debt records. Record the user and shop ID. Create debt details inner collection. To record the details of each debt, go to authentication, enable Google Sign-In. Step number 4, testing. Open simulator and terminal. Type Flutter run and hit the enter. Click Sign in with Google. Choose account and wait. Cool. Let's refresh it. It seems we have one debt from Korzinka. Click on it. Here we can see details about our debt like date, product name, status, and debt that should be paid. Let's test out search option. If you liked it, make sure to do your magic down there and see you on the next one.